This is DNA, the instruction manual for all living things on Earth. DNA is shaped like a twisted ladder, called a double helix. It's made of small parts called nucleotides, sugar, phosphate, and a base. There are 4 bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. A always pairs with T, and C always pairs with G, like best friends. DNA is stored in the cell's nucleus, tightly packed into chromosomes. DNA stores instructions like code for making a living thing. Small sections of DNA are called genes. They each tell the cell how to make a protein. Proteins build, repair, and control everything inside your body. Before a cell divides, DNA copies itself. Each strand is a guide for making its matching partner. Special enzymes check for mistakes, keeping DNA copies almost perfect. To make proteins, DNA is copied into messenger RNA. The messenger RNA leaves the nucleus to carry instructions to the cell's protein factory. Ribosomes read the message and build proteins one piece at a time. Chemical tags can turn genes on or off without changing the DNA code. DNA can repair itself when damaged. From bacteria to humans, all life shares the same DNA language. Sometimes, changes happen in DNA. These are called mutations. Some mutations cause problems. Others lead to new abilities. You inherit half your DNA from your mother and half from your father. We are all unique, yet humans share more than 99% of their DNA. The structure of DNA was discovered in 1953, thanks to many brilliant scientists. Today, DNA helps us fight disease, grow food, and explore our origins. DNA is the story of life, written in every cell, shaping our past and our future.